Alright, this is Tuesday. We are on week 12, day 23, CIS-125. We talked more about sequential files. We looked at read. And then the students spent the majority of the time today working on assignments. A couple students, we talked about a main line and then a call, and then a call. You know, they're talking about, well, how would I write my pseudocode? Well, you can write your main. You have a start and a stop, and then you would call, you know, have a name here and a name here, and then you would call, have a name here and a name here, return and a return. Actually, let me do this return, come back to here, this return would come back to here, and that's how you would draw out your pseudocode. Alright, so here we'll take a look at this first group of code is what we want to emphasize. You'll notice here we have where we're going to append, see the A? That will append, so that's going to write a new record onto the bottom. Here's the file. Okay, so we open it to append it. In contrast, here down here we open and we don't say what we're going to do here, and so that assumes you're going to read. Okay, but up here the A is append, so it's going to open the file, and then yeah, right here we write to the file, and this writes a carriage return to the file, so it goes down to the next line, and then we close the file. So we just write one record, we're not looping, we just write one record to this file here, paylist. Okay, and here's where we gather the input to write it in. This, we talked about this one before, down here. This is reading the file. We open it to read, and let's look at some of the details there. Read a line, and then this will take and split it. You see these different parts down here, bill, 1050, 30. So it takes that data and looks for that space, and then it splits it and puts it right here, splits it and puts it into this list, which we're calling list. Probably could have a better name. Then we printed it, and then here's the wage and the hours, grabbing them from the record. This would be the name, calculate, print the pay. Read the next line, and you will notice that we're in a loop here, and so it just keeps doing it until it reads all the records, and that's it.